welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is another grocery haul. I feel so out of breath. Oh my God, bringing these in, it was a lot. So I just did the shopping at Coles. This is the receipt. So the total of today was $124.32. Does anyone feel like groceries are just getting more expensive? Like, I don't know if I'm buying more, I might be, but they just feel a lot. And also for reference, so I do a meal plan. What I'm making this week: lentil pasta, a burrito bowl, halloumi wraps over 2 nights, a lentil dal, lentil meatballs with broccolini and mash, and just boiled vegetables as well. I am vegetarian, so that's why. So let's just get into it. It's always a little bit difficult when there's so much stuff, but first off, paper towels. I get a lot of the Coles branded items as well. I might put this here. Coles brand beer battered fries. I got these mixed vegetables. If you haven't watched one of my grocery hauls before, I make my dogs food, so I put these in it. They're really cost effective as well, so those. I got a packet of just the steamed vegetable bag thing for my husband. Now, yes, I am vegetarian, but I do buy meat for my dog's food. So I got the chicken mince and also pork mince. So I thought I would like mix those together for them. Got wholemeal Coles brand soft bread. Oh, I need some, like, how do I usually do this? The Mum's Bolognese sauce. If you haven't tried this with pasta, it is incredible. I got halloumi, firm tofu, a toilet cleaner, some bin bags, a deodorant, 2 packets of toothpaste. They were on special. I do try and buy things that are on special if at all possible. Got a curry powder, the Coles brand dishwashing tablets, Coles brand shower gel, some masala vegetable stock, some lentils, some chicken gravy for the dog's food, more lentils. I usually buy quite a few like beans, but this week I actually didn't. Got a cos lettuce. Got some souvlaki bread for the halloumi wraps. Okay, this section scares me with how much plastic. So 1 broccoli, 1 avocado, some tomatoes. I always like the Trust tomatoes the best. Bananas, mandarins, absolutely obsessed with mandarins at the moment. A broccolini bunch and some mushrooms in there. 2 packets of quick oats. My husband literally just this week has started eating oats, so we're going through them real quick. Pitted dates. I want to make some like protein ball type things for snacks. I got, just for when we need to like run out the door and we're hungry, muesli bars, so chocolate chip and yogurt. Got kiwi fruits and strawberries. Someone put on their Instagram that strawberries were $1 a packet. packet, but not in my Coles. They were $1.40, unfortunately. It's still not like too bad. I got tuna for my husband. I don't eat this, but he likes tuna and vegetables for lunch. Chili beans. If you haven't tried these, just add like this, rice, lettuce, avocado, tomato to a bowl, and it's like an instant burrito bowl. Amazing. More lentils, coconut milk. Oh, this is like snacky treats. The lentils for the dal, seeds and grains brown rice crackers. I have some hummus in the fridge, so I want to have that with them. Vegemite and cheese shapes. Very excited about that. Another packet of dates. Brown rice for the dog's food. A packet of brown onions. Some baby charisma potatoes. And the last thing, carrots. And that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone's staying safe in this crazy time, and I hope to see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again, bye.